In this video, we are going to walk you through the assembly process of our SuperHandy GoRide CRX wheelchair. Locate the manual and start removing the contents from the box. First, start by loosening and removing the two knobs and remove the base cover. Next, connect the battery pack, then refit the base cover and secure it tightly with the two knobs. Next, let's install the seat. Pull down the swivel lever and place the seat into the seat post. Rotate the seat until it locks into position. Next, install the headrest at the top of the seat. Insert the arms into the seat. Set the arms to your desired width, then turn the knobs clockwise to secure it tightly. Next, set your arms to the desired height. Lastly, plug in the controller. Buckle up. Power on the wheelchair, and now you are ready to ride.